Section 1.7, Evaluating Algebraic Expressions and Formulas. To evaluate an algebraic expression, replace each variable with the given number. Carry out the computation using the order of operations rule. You remember order of operations. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. So let's evaluate each algebraic expression if x is 10, y is 3, and z is negative 5. So x is 10 and y is 3. First we multiply, then we subtract, and we get 11. X is 10, z is a negative 5. Whenever I substitute a negative number into an expression, I like to use parentheses. It helps me keep straight what I should do with the sign. Y is 3. So we need to do multiplication first. 6 times 10 is 60. What's minus a negative 5? Plus 5. 4 times 3 is 12. So our final answer is 65 over 12. Three x squared minus y squared. Let's substitute 10 in for x, and y is 3. We have to do the exponents first, so that's 3 times 100 minus 9. Multiplication comes next. 300 minus 9, 291. Now remember, z is negative 5, so our first problem here says negative 5 squared. You're squaring the negative 5. That's negative 25. So our answer is negative 25. But in our next problem, the negative is inside the parentheses. So we have a negative, and this time z is a negative 5. So a negative 5, the opposite of z. We want to square that. The opposite of negative 5 is a positive 5. And we want to square that. So that will give us a positive 25. Be very careful with your negative signs when you're raising numbers to an even power. Formulas are algebraic expressions. The perimeter of a rectangle is found by the algebraic expression 2L plus 2W. The length of the screen on an HD TV is 32 inches, and the width is 18 inches. Find the perimeter of the TV. So our perimeter is 2L plus 2W. Now we need to substitute in the length and the width. So we'll have 2 times L, L is 32, plus 2 times W, and W is 18. That gives us 64 plus 36. What is our perimeter? 100. What's our unit of measurement? Inches. 100 inches. To convert a Fahrenheit temperature to Celsius temperature, Use the formula C equals 5/9 times the quantity F minus 32. Use the formula to find the Celsius equivalent to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So we want to substitute 32 in place of F. So C is 5/9 times 32 minus 32. What do you get when you subtract 32 minus 32? You get 0. So we have 0 degrees Celsius. 32 degrees Fahrenheit is 0 degrees Celsius. The markup of an M of an item is its selling price, S, minus its cost. Express this relationship as a formula. So the markup M means equals its selling price, S, minus its cost. If a digital camera cost a retailer $399.95 and was then sold for $559, how much was the markup on the camera? How much was the markup? That's what we're trying to solve for. So the selling price is $559 minus the cost was $399.95. So what's the markup? That is $159.05. That's all for this section.